In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate grouped items in Canva. Whether you are creating a social post, a presentation slide, or a short video, animating grouped elements helps everything move in sync, so your design looks polished and intentional. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and I'll share helpful context along the way so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you are on the page that contains the elements you want to animate together. Take a moment to look over your layout and confirm which pieces should move as one. This could be a headline with its subtext, a shape behind it, and an icon, for example. Next, click on the first element you want to include. Hold down the Shift key. And while still holding it, click on each additional element you want in the group. You'll see selection boxes appear around them as you go. If you click something by mistake, simply click it again while holding Shift to remove it from the selection. When you've got everything selected, click the Group button that appears on the toolbar. Grouping combines those items so they act like a single object, which is exactly what you want for a unified animation and easier positioning. With the group still selected, click the Animate button in the top toolbar. This opens the animation panel. Here is where the fun begins. You'll see options organized into categories like Element and General. Choose an animation style that matches the tone of your design. Rise gives a subtle upward movement. Pan adds directional motion, Fade is clean and understated, and Blur can introduce your group with a soft reveal. When you apply one of these, every element inside your group will animate together, staying perfectly aligned. After you pick a style, adjust the timing or duration in the animation panel to control how fast it plays. A shorter duration feels snappy and energetic. A slightly longer duration feels smoother and more cinematic. Think about the viewer's experience. If T here is text in your group, give it enough time to be seen as it animates in. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in readability and overall polish. That's it. Thanks for watching.